Yes, Aradhya. Yes, Aradhya,
Yes.
beta. Can you tell me which particular topic we are going to start today?
Ma'am, factors.
Yes. So beta, this is actually a very new concept for you all. Okay, and we are going to continue with this topic with the help of this video. Okay, so you all are going to listen it and watch it very carefully. Okay, and ma'am is going to ask the queries side by side. Okay, beta, and you all are going to give me the reply. Okay, so listen and watch it very carefully. Okay, students. Okay, let's have a look. So suppose we have taken one example over here that 4 6 are 24. Okay, beta, we all know this thing. 4 6 are 24.
24.
So here, what are the factors? How we can conclude that what are the factors? Okay, so one thing what we can say that the numbers which are to be multiplied. The numbers which are to be multiplied. Okay, जिन numbers को आप multiply कर रहे हो. Can you tell me which are the numbers here? Yes, you are going to multiply. Yes.
Ma'am, 6.
6 and
4.
4.
4.
We are multiplying two numbers here. That is, the first one is 4 and the second one is 6. Okay, beta.
Yes.
So the numbers
Yes.
which we are going to multiply can be termed as factors. Is it clear? Is
Yes,
it clear?
ma'am.
So no need to
Yes.
confuse with this particular term because actually it is nothing. It is simply, we can say, the combinations of multiplicand and multiplier, which we have already learned. Yes or no? The first term,
Yes, ma'am.
first term can be termed as multiplicand and the second one is multiplier. And the combination of both, we can say these are the factors. Clear, beta? And how we are going to read this statement? We can say that 4 and 6 are the factors of 24. This is the way to read this statement. Okay, clear हो रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So how we can read 4 and
4 and 6 is the factor of 24.
4 and 6 are, because two numbers are here, na? 4 and 6
Yes,
are the
ma'am.
factors of 24. Clear?
24.
And separately,
Yes,
suppose
ma'am.
we are going to ask about, so how we can say 4 is the factor of 24 and 6 is the factor of 24 and collectively 4 and 6 are the factor of 24. Okay, beta, it is clear. Now what are the factors?
Yes.
What is the meaning of factors? How we can conclude it? Can you tell me?
The number to be multiplied is called the factors.
Exactly. In simple terms, what we can say? The numbers that are multiplied. The numbers that are multiplied to get the product are called factors. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Manvik, come in front of camera. Manvik, come in front of camera. Yes, beta. Yes, Manvik, come in front of camera. Yes. So now let's have a look. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
We all know this thing.
Yes, ma'am.
So beta, factor is nothing, but it is the another name for multiplicand and multiplier. Nothing is new. Okay, whether this concept is new that we are going to use this term as factors. Okay, beta, but actually it is another name for
another name of multiplicand and multiplier.
exactly. Very good. So here, Aradhya, you can mute yourself and Sonika Pal will give me the answer. Sonika Pal, unmute yourself. Ji, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. So now you got the point. What are the factors? Can you repeat?
Number we can multiply.
Very good. The numbers that are multiplied. to get the product. Okay, the numbers which we are multiplying to find out the product. Okay, and the way to read this statement, is that 4 and 6 are the factors of 24. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes. Okay, beta. Okay. So now we are going to continue with the same concept. Jayansh, Khyati, and Ridhima, keep your cameras on. Jayansh, Khyati, and Ridhima. But otherwise, ma'am is going to remove you from the class. Ridhima and Khyati, you are left. Ridhima and Khyati, you are left. Keep your cameras on. Yes. Okay, beta. So in simple terms, what we can say? In a product of two or more numbers, each number is the factor of the product. Each factor is the number of the factor of the product. Okay, beta? Clear?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Acha, here I just want to ask one thing. Sonika, 8 multiplied by 3. 8 multiplied by 3. We can say 8 3s are 24. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me? Can you tell me which two other numbers can we multiply to find out 4? Another example means some different numbers when we are going to multiply, we will find out the same answer, that is 24. Can you tell me? And one example.
Yes, ma'am. 6 4s are.
Exactly. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are or 4 6s are the same thing. Okay, we are just going to change the numbers. हम सिर्फ नंबर चेंज कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर. ठीक है, हम ऑर्डरिंग चेंज नहीं कर रहे हैं. मतलब 8 3s बोलेंगे 3 8s, the meaning is same. Okay, beta, answer will be same definitely. So another example that you have given, 6 4s are 24. Any other example can you give here?
3 8s are 24.
3 and 8 digits we have already taken. We are not going to repeat that. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. Another one, can you tell me? Yes. Think it fast. अच्छे से सोच के बताइए. Good. अभी आपने क्या बोला? The next one is 6 multiply by 4. The answer will be 24. Okay.
24.
Yes, very good. Another example, can you give me? Here? Yes.
24 1s are 24.
Exactly. Wow. Do clapping for yourself. Very good. Do clapping for yourself. So here, another example can be 24 multiplied by 1 is equal to 24. Very good. Very good. Any other combination? Okay, let's have a look, and we are going to start from 1. 1 से start करते हैं. ठीक है? Suppose we have taken 1. 1 24s are 24. That as we have just taken. This example. 1 we have already taken. Okay, beta? Means the number we are going to check it from 1 to 9. Okay, we are going to check like this. So 1 we have already taken, means 24 one number we have already taken. Okay. Now we are going to check by 2. Can we multiply any number by 2 to find out 24? Yes. To find out 24. Is there any number? Yes. Then we are going to multiply any number by what? So that we can find out our answer 24. Is it possible? You know the table of 12? You know the table of 12? Yes. So read the table of 12. Quickly read.
12 2s are 24.
Exactly. This is the point. Yes, good. So here 12 2s, that is 24.
24.
So I hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we have taken 24. Okay. Now we are moving to the third number, that is 3. So that is also given on your screen. 8 3s are, that is already given. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
We have already taken. Okay, 4 you have already given with the example 6 4s are. Okay. And now we are checking for 5. Is it possible to multiply 5 by any number to find out 24? Is it possible? No, it is not possible. No, because 5 is an odd number, but 24 means the product is an even number. So it is not possible. Next number is 6. After 5, the next number is 6. But 6 we have already taken here. 6 4s are. Yes or no? Yes. So again we are going to take 7. But 7 is an odd number again. And the product is 24. So again it is not possible. Now we are going to take, after 7 we are going to take 8. But 8 is already given on your screen. 8 Caesar. Yes or no? 8.
Yes,
And now we are moving to the 9. 9 we are moving. And 9 is also a
odd number.
odd number. So again it is not possible. So it means we are having only 4 combinations. That is 8 multiplied by 3, 6 multiplied by 4, 2, 24 multiplied by 1, and 2 multiplied by 4. So these are the different combinations which we can find out. Is it clear? Clear or right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay. So now we are going to find out. And you know why ma'am has find out this combination? Because this is the way to find out the factors. Okay. And how we are going to do it? Let's have the, please watch the video carefully. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am is just going to undo all the things. 1 second. Yes. Yes, beta. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. But why this example is given here? It means we can say a single number, as the number was 24 in our example. Okay. But this number has many more factors. It is not compulsory that it is having only 1 or 2 or 3 factors. No, it can have many more factors. Okay. And how we are going to find out? Let's have the video. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta, listen, Sonika, and rest of the students also. Sonika, who is just behind you?
And brother.
Okay, beta. As you know, no other family member is allowed in front of camera. Okay, and rotate your camera so that you must be visible to ma'am. Okay. So here, I just want to clear one thing, that as we have just discussed, Sonika, as we have just discussed, that these are the factors of 24. 1 multiplied by 24, 2 multiplied by 12, 3 multiplied by 8, and 4 multiplied by 6. These all are the combinations of factors. Okay, beta, factors of 24, which we have already find out. Abhi humne find out kiya. Okay. Now, how we are going to find out the factors? How we are going to find out the factors? Kaise find out factors? Find out karenge. We are just going to start from the left hand side. We are just going to start from the left hand side. Left hand side se start karenge, and we are going to write down just before the equal to sign. Column just before the equal to sign. We are going to take all the numbers here like this. Okay, beta? So how many factors will be there? 1. Repeat with ma'am. 1.
2.
Everyone.
1.
Yes.
1. 2.
Yes.
3.
Yes.
4.
Yes. Where is my cursor? 6. Yes. 6. Yes. 8. 12. 24. Okay, beta. So these
24.
8. Yes, very good. So these are the factors. Okay, this is the way to find out the factors. Okay, this is the way to find out the factors. So now let's continue with the video. One more example. Beta, this is the way to find out. Okay, this is the way to find out the factors. So here we are going to continue from the 1 up to 9. All the numbers we are going to check that which number is the factor of 36. Okay, one by one we are going to continue for the checking. Okay, so here first of all we are going to check with 1 multiply by 36. Is it possible? Because 1 is the factor of every number. Okay, when we are going to multiply a number by 1, the answer will be definitely the product that is given. Okay, so always we can say that 1 is the factor of every number. 1 is the factor of
Every number.
Yes, very
Every
good.
number.
Very good. Good. So now you can mute Sonika. Sonika, you can mute. This time Devangi. Devangi Sharma, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Devangi, my screen is
Yes, ma'am.
visible?
Yes, ma'am, your screen is visible.
Yes. So here the sequence of numbers are given to you, means from 1 to 9.
Yes.
All the numbers are given.
Yes, ma'am.
And here one by
Yes,
one we
ma'am.
are going to check that these numbers are factors of 36 or not. Okay. So suppose
Okay, ma'am.
1 multiplied by 36, the answer is 36. So it is the
36.
factor, means 1
Yes,
and
ma'am.
36 both are the number of factors of 36. Okay. Then we
Okay,
are
ma'am.
going to move to 2. 2 multiply by 18. Answer is 36.
Yes,
So it is
Yes,
also
ma'am.
the factor of 36, 2 and 18.
yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then
Yes,
we are
ma'am.
moving to 3. 3 multiplied by 12. Answer is 36. So it is also
Yes,
the
ma'am.
factor of 36.
12.
Is 3 and 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we are moving
Okay.
to 4. 4 9s are 36. That is also the
Yes,
factor.
ma'am.
Okay. Then we
Yes,
come on
ma'am.
5. But 5 is a odd
Ma'am,
number.
odd number.
So it is not possible. It is not possible to multiply by any number to find out 36. It is not possible. Okay. So that's why
Okay,
5
ma'am.
is not the factor. 5 is not the factor of 36.
Factor.
Now we will check by 6. It is also the factor. Okay. Then we will move to 7. 7 is not the factor. 8 is not the factor.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
9 is not the factor. Because we are going to
Yes,
try
ma'am.
to find out that number by which we are going to multiply 7, 8 and 9 separately to find out 36, but no number is there. So it is not possible to find out it is not possible to find out. But one thing you can observe here in the last
Yes,
one,
ma'am.
that is 9. 9 4s are 36. होता है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
9 4s
Yes,
are
ma'am.
36. तो मैम ने 4 क्यों नहीं लिया यहाँ
Yes,
पर?
ma'am.
Because we have already taken 4 and 9 here. Yes or no? So means
Yes,
we
ma'am.
are not going to repeat. Clear, बच्चे?
Okay.
Is it clear? Because
ma'am.
4 9s are 36, we have already taken. Means we know that 9 is the factor of 36. 4 and 9 is the factor of
Yes,
36.
ma'am.
So no need to write the same statement over here. ठीक है ना?
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
we are
ma'am.
just going to continue. Finally, we have taken all the factors. Finally, we have taken all the factors of 36. Okay, beta.
Okay.
And how we are
Yes,
going to arrange them? Listen.
Oh.
Clear? From top to bottom, we are going to draw this arrow line. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
bottom to top in the middle line, middle column, you can say. Okay, beta. And this is the way to write down the factors. This is the way.
Okay.
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 And we are
Yes,
not
ma'am.
going to repeat. We are not going to repeat the factors. So here, finally,
Okay.
what will be our answer? What will be our factors? What will be our factors?
930.
Yes, Devangi beta. Yes, what are the factors?
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the factors? If we are starting from 1, if we are starting from
Yes.
1, can you tell me?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer is 36.
Beta, ma'am is not asking about answer. Ma'am is asking about factors that we have just find out. Okay?
Okay.
Factors. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and ma'am, 36.
Beta,
6, 9,
we are moving. Beta, we are moving from means we are arranging the numbers in the ascending order. Ascending order. Okay, so that's why we are moving from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then from bottom to top. Okay, then we are going to take 6, but we are not going to repeat 6, so that's why we will take only one time 6. Okay, then 9, 12, 18, and 36.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
Clear,
Yes,
beta? These are the factors.
Yes, ma'am.
These are the factors. Okay, students?
Okay.
Okay, now we are going to continue. Beta, we all know this thing that when we have this multiplication fact, that is 5 multiplied by 9 is equal to 45. This statement can be termed as multiplication fact. Okay, when we are going to multiply 5 by 9, your answer will be always 45. So this is called multiplication fact. Okay, and how we are going to write down the division fact? How we are going to write down the division fact by using this multiplication fact? Okay, this multiplication fact is given to us, and how we are going to write down the division fact by using this multiplication fact, that we are going to use this product. We are going to use this product, that is 45 divided by the first factor. Okay, answer we have taken, and we are going to divide it by the first factor. Okay, beta, your answer will be 9. Your answer will be the second number. Clear? And when you are going to divide 45 by the second number, your first number will be your answer. Always remember this thing. This is very interesting. This is very interesting division fact. Okay, beta? You can check from here. You can check from here.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Means when we are going to divide 45 by 5, answer will be 9. Okay, and when we are going to divide 45 by 9, the answer will be 5. Means any of the factor can be your answer. If we are dividing by one factor, another factor will be your answer. Always. Okay, beta? So now this was the concept of factors. This was the concept of factors. Now we will continue in the next class, but this is the time for your queries, students. Now you all can ask your queries. Okay? Okay, bache?